Hallo, wie geht's euch? Was ist los, jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Heute habe ich ein Kunststoffmodell aus China und es ist der König von Messe oder König von Blatt. So in English, I have here a model kit from China which is called the Blade King. So the new release for this year from the company SNAA or the Supernova. So this Supernova is well known for their remake of the Gundam Wing Endless Waltz model kits, and now they're producing their original work, which also includes this Blade King, aside from their 2022 release of the Hunting Falcon and their partnership with the NonZero Studios and In-Era model kit builder. So let's check this kit out. Fangen wir an, los geht's!
Hallo, Salam alaikum. Dieses Kunststoffmodell ist ein Originalwerk von chinesischen Herstellern SNAA oder Supernova. Das Kunststoffmodell ist eine Kombination verschiedener Gundams und es wie ein Remake von Gundam Handful Saber ist. So in English, this model kit here came from a Chinese company where they made this as an original work, the Supernova kit. And this is like a combination of several Gundams from different timelines, and it's like a remake of the Gundam Handful Saber. But ich finde das Farbschema langweilig und nicht so interessant. Das Farbschema ist genau wie die Protagonistenfarben der meisten Gundams. So what I said in German, I find the Farbschema or the color scheme very boring and not so interesting, because most of this color scheme here are like or just like the protagonist model kit or the protagonist Gundam's color scheme, which is very boring to the eyes for me. Because like the RX-78, Gundam Wing, Gundam Ailstrike, God Gundam, Gundam X, Gundam Turn A, most of them has this similar color scheme, and it's not so appealing for me nowadays. And there we can see in the side of the box the action pose here, and here in the back of the box we can see me waving my hand, and there's my phone and I'm speaking here bullshits. And you can see here Blade King YR02. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual or the Bedienungsanleitung. So the Bedienungsanleitung ist einfach gestaltet. It's simply printed in black and white, and there we can see red markings there for you to understand the peg placement. And der Box sieht schön und einfach aus. So what I said is the box is beautiful, to be honest, this one, and very simple in this part here. So it's like your typical Chinese box of Gundams or model kit. Dieses Modell ist so viel Kunststoffteile. What I said is this model kit has so many plastic parts und es fühlt sich an, als würde ich das für immer bauen. One more time. Es fühlt sich an, als würde ich das für immer bauen. It feels like I will build this kit forever due to the amount of plastic parts here. We have here blue parts, white parts, gray parts. It's like silver. We have here gray parts for the inner frame. We have here clear green parts for the blades. So this is a big blade. To be honest, this is much bigger than the Gunpla Saber, which I already have in my collection. So we have here blue and white parts here. It's like orange parts and red parts here. We have here blue parts also for armor pieces. We have big gray parts here, another gray parts there. And we have two optional sets of blades, which are the silver blade here and this clear red blade here. So I am already having a hard time deciding which blade I will use for his main weapon. And fortunately, we have here a stand or action base, which is very big than your common action bases. It's like a tablet. It's very big, to be honest. It's not proportioned to the kit, but I like this. It's big. Thank you, SNAA. And die Kunststoffqualität ist wie bei Bandai. So I feel like the plastic quality of this kit is like Bandai. Anyway, let's check this kit out. And yes, we have here foil stickers and decals here, dry transfer decals. Wie üblich lassen Sie uns eine kurze Überprüfung für die Teile haben. So let's have a quick runner review before we build this kit here. So wir haben hier graue Teile. We have gray parts for the guns, for the shield, and maybe this is for the backpack pieces here. Another graue Teile for the inner frames. We have here runner D. By the way, I forgot to mention, we have runner B here for the guns. Yep, it's runner B. And runner C for the inner frame parts. Then we have here runner D again for, I think this one for the blade, for the sword parts. Another runner D. So we have two sets of runner D here. We have in here it's via D runner. We have runner E here and another runner E. So we have two sets of runner E and runner D. Then we go to the silver parts. And mind you, this is like a rubber. The plastic for this runner A here for the silver parts is like rubberish plastic. And so we have two sets of this type of rubbery plastic here. Wir haben hier orange Teile. So we have orange parts here. So runner M, runner N, and another runner N. So we have two sets of runner N and one runner M. And these red parts here for runner O. So this is for the feet, I think, or I guess. And we have here light gray runners, runner I. So we have two sets of runner I. Wir haben hier blaue Teile or blue parts. We have runner J and runner L. So these are for the armor pieces. So we have runner L again, two sets of runner L. And finally, we have Runner K for the blue runners. And we have here white parts, 2 sets of Runner H, and this gray parts here for the manipulators for the hand part. So we have hands here, open hands, closed fist hands, holding hands here. So these are your interchangeable hands. And finally, we have white runner here for the runner F for each head. So I find the plastic quality just like your Gundam Bandai model. So it's like a Bandai model. And I'm just amazed with the other rubbery type of runner, which is the runner A. And it's very sturdy. I find it sturdy. Oh, by the way, don't forget this part here. We have runner P here for your clear bluish green runner for your blades. And also we have the stickers a while ago. Anyway, it's a foil sticker and your dry transfers stickers. So thank you very much for watching. So for our German viewers and the English viewers, also the other nationality viewers, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Blade King, or in German, Der König von Blatt. And see you next time until I build this kit, and thank you. Masalama, goodbye, and tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.